Hey guys, it's Mark Shawzin, the pattern trader. Unfortunately, the vast majority of Forex traders lose everything because of this one simple thing that is easily fixed. Here's a quick guide to sticking to your Forex trading plan like a Wall Street pro.
And within about a week, I could see this is something I can put a little bit of real money into. And when you're following a system, you should follow it.
And from $300 to $1,105 in 7 months.
Correct.
So I started with 2,500, and I've had 128% growth. You've got to give it everything. He's got the track record. They can just go on the website and see his history.
His way of trading is brilliant. He uses chart patterns.
There's a famous saying in Forex trading: plan your trades and then trade your plan. You've probably heard it many times over, but how often is this very simple rule broken? Every time by inexperienced and/or losing traders. However, winning traders rarely, if ever, break with this wisdom. A trading plan includes a specific entry point, a specific winning exit point, a specific losing exit point, a specific amount to be risked when that losing point is hit. Remember, the size of your trade determines what you have determined is an acceptable loss. This preserves your trading account and protects you from disasters when you're wrong. It's what keeps you in the game, because if you're wiped out, you're out. You should never trade any bigger than your comfort zone. If you have too much money riding on one specific trade, something strange will happen. The odds are good that you'll actually create the loss that you hope to avoid. Does that sound strange? It's not, because trading too big pretty much guarantees you'll be making emotional decisions. In all likelihood, you traded too big in the hopes of a quick win, maybe even a win large enough to wipe out all your previous losses and redeem yourself as a good trader. But does that sound like a rational plan? Of course it doesn't. It's a hope, not a plan. You don't win on hope. You win on the certainty of probabilities. You win by knowing you have an edge if and only if you stick to a careful plan that features an entry and exit in response to what the market is actually doing. One other note. The other reason for trading too big is overconfidence. If you ever catch yourself thinking, hey, this is easy, I've seen this pattern before and I can't miss, so I'm going to trade 3 times my regular size just to get a big score, then the odds are excellent that you're going to be handed a loss 3 times bigger, maybe more, than your original plan permitted. You see, there really is a happy medium between panicking and being too greedy. Fear and greed tug at you like a tide and wind together. You must keep a firm hand on the tiller to resist those forces and ensure you continue along the course your rational, logical mind has already plotted. So the first step to mastering fear as a trader is to commit to following a specific trading plan. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Can you count to 4? Then follow a plan with these 4 steps. Number 1, a specific entry point. Number 2, a specific winning exit point. 3, a specific losing exit point. And 4, a specific amount to be risked. All of these should have clear criteria for why they're being selected. You can't just pick numbers out of the air just because. By way of illustration, we give our members a specific plan for each trade I and my members take. It typically looks like this. In this currency pair, the Australian dollar versus Japanese yen, my entry order was a buy stop at 79.04, my stop loss was at 78.41, and my take profit was at 81.27. I also had a suggested trade risk profile of 0.075%. If you find the size of a loss too scary at this point, and in the beginning you probably will, there's no shame in that. You could trade a smaller number of contracts, mini contracts, or even micro contracts. The main thing is that you trade confidently and without fear. That's the key objective, because without confidence, you will never be able to follow any system consistently. That means you'll lose money even with a winning system such as the pattern trader. Remember what I said about trading too large. Trade at a comfortable level, but never larger than my recommended maximum risk. Just follow that one rule, and at one stroke you'll slash your chances of panicking and losing unnecessarily. Take as many baby steps as you need to increase your confidence level to the point where you're trading at my recommended maximum. It's okay to go as slow as you want. No one's looking over your shoulder and smirking that it took you 10 or 20 trades to go from one micro contract to the full recommended risk level. That's because the time taken doesn't matter. Only the result does. Once you trust yourself to follow instructions and trade without fear, the sky's the limit as far as your trading career is concerned. The best part is our members get easy to follow trading instructions and they're able to copy and profit from them. We tell them the exact trade, where to enter, where to exit, and even give them detailed chart analysis. If you'd like to see how this works, then I put together a PDF for you called the 21 Forex Power Strategies. This completely free document shares 21 different strategies that our members have used to create huge windfalls, and you'll get to see my simple, paint-by-the-numbers approach to trading. All you have to do is click this video or click the link in the description below and let me know the email address that you'd like me to email your PDF to. I'll then have it sent to you instantly for you to dissect and study. Click this video, get your PDF, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks again for watching.